I see your symptoms. It is my opinion that you have TOCYDHD.
Wait, huh? TOCYDHD? What is it? Are you sure?
Yes, it's tired of cleaning your damn house disorder.
I don't have a disorder.
Well, yo shit is disorganized.
Oh, that's true.
Not only that, I bet you're overwhelmed with clutter fatigue and a severe lack of time, right?
You better believe it. My life seems like an endless cycle of household chores and whatnot.
Yep, I hear this all too often. Here, call this number, 1-800-583-0560. Ask for Clean AF by My Housekeeper.
What's Clean AF by My Housekeeper?
I'm glad you asked. Clean AF by My Housekeeper is a revolutionary remedy for all your cleaning ailments. My Housekeeper will sweep in, tidy up yo mess, and leave beauty, tranquility, and peace behind.
Oh, hell yeah. How much can I take?
Take one a week, once a month, or heck, you can even take one every day.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Okay, here's the number. Call them and let them know I sent ya. But I have to share this disclaimer. Hold on. Side effects of Clean AF may include sudden bursts of free time, an overwhelming sense of relief, joy at the sight of your sparkling home, and the unstoppable urge to indulge in life's pleasures.
Yes, yes. Those are side effects I can get with. I'm about to get Clean AF. Calling now.